Is the thought of college applications and financial aid keeping you up at night? You know your student needs to go to college, but are you really ready for the process? With over 25 years of college counseling experience and helping countless parents and students successfully step by step, and with peace of mind during their college planning and funding journey, we understand and are intimately familiar with so many concerns and unanswered questions you, as parents and students, may have. College admissions are tougher than ever. GPA and tests aren't enough anymore. And with tuition skyrocketing, most families face a ton of pressure just to get their kid through 4 years. In fact, every year, thousands of good students get waitlisted, and most families miss out on thousands of dollars in free financial aid because they chase outdated advice, lack of adequate information, ignoring holistic criteria, and mismanaging their complicated financial aid forms like the FAFSA and CSS profile. This is where our over 25 years of solid college counseling experience, immense knowledge, and vast expertise come in. In this premium live college planning masterclass, you'll learn proven and practical strategies on how to maximize your child's admissions as well as scholarships and financial aid odds by understanding and taking control of this confusing process. Seats are on a first-come, first-served basis for this 3 hours course, which includes the very necessary and informative live questions and answers segments. Register early in this course today and start unlocking your child's future now. We are very much looking forward to seeing you soon in our college planning masterclass.